page 206, number 28. Find a polynomial with leading coefficient 2 that has the given degree and zeros. So we have a degree 3 polynomial, and our zeros are -1, 3, and -5. So what we want to do is create the linearization of the polynomial. So we'll just call it f of x. So we have a leading coefficient of 2, and our zeros we can write like this. So x minus a -1, so that's going to be x plus 1, times x minus 3, times x minus a -5. So that would be x plus 5. So now what you want to do is multiply this out. So it doesn't matter what order you do it in. So I'm going to start by multiplying the 2 times the x plus 1. And then I'm also going to multiply the other two binomials, x minus 3 times x plus 5. So when I multiply those together, I get x squared plus 2x minus 15. And now I just have to multiply this binomial times this trinomial. And when I do that, I get 2x to the third plus 6x squared minus 26x minus 30. And there is our polynomial with a leading coefficient of 2 and has the degree and the correct zeros.